I always hesitate to talk about the dishwasher because there's that great debate. Do you rinse them or not before you put them in? Well, I'm a rinser, and I always think that whatever your spouse wants you to do, that's what you do. But I kind of read some stuff from manufacturers that actually rinsing kind of messes up the cycle. So heavy scrape is what the experts say, and don't rinse them. I don't know. I had somebody call me one time and said his wife wanted him to rinse it and he didn't want to. I said, dude, just rinse them for gosh sakes. All right. So the dishwasher, it does take a little bit of maintenance. There's a few things that you can do. Right here, the filter, pulling this out. Ooh, boy, Pat hasn't cleaned that in a while. So obviously look at all the food particles. You don't really need to see that on a Sunday morning. So we do that. And then take this kind of builds up some, there's some hard water. You can actually take a toothpick and kind of open it up so that you get good water flow throughout the dishwasher. So hopefully your dishwasher has soft water going to it. So that would be ideal. You don't want that at the tap in the cold water, but certainly here it would be a good idea. And then there's seals along here too, cleaning these seals and making sure that there's no food particles and stuff in there, and just doing a general cleaning will, and a couple times a year is all you have to do. So the other little tip about the dishwasher is before you start it, run hot water to the tap. Because the way these things start, you know how long sometimes it takes the hot water. You start this, it's the same line, and all of a sudden it's cold water. So you want that initial, run that hot water all the way, so that's still cold. Until it's hot, that's when you want to start the dishwasher. Disposal is another thing that could use a little bit of maintenance every once in a while, because not only is it the smell, but it's also drain flies and stuff. Certainly we've all had those in the spring and summer that tend to nest down there and reproduce. Well, it's that organic matter that's built up in there. So drain defense, this is good. You can get it either in liquid or powder. This is actually good for all the drains around your house. And it just kind of helps. It's not a drain opener, so if you have a clog, that's not going to take care of it. But what it does is it slowly eats away at the organic matter. We recommend, if you haven't used it, to use it every day for a week, and then once a week for a month, and then after that you use it monthly. Now, you can also get specific packs for the garbage disposal. I don't know if it's going to be that much better. Sometimes I think they just want you to buy different products. There's also little packs that I kind of like that is a disposal cleaner, because you drop it down there and turn it on and blue foam comes up everywhere. And how cool is that, right? Blue foam. All right, so a couple things to get you to spring, get these maintenance things done now so that when it's nice out, you can be outside. Have a great day.